Hello everyone, this is the growth team at Platoo. Platoo 2.0 is here and we are bigger and better than ever before.
So we'll be taking you through a series of tutorials that will help you learn the platform and become your very own virtual event expert.
So without further ado,
Let's
let's
Platoo!
Plateau.
Hi guys, this is Vikas. I'll be taking you guys through the login page and the lobby page configurations. So in these two tutorials, I'll be taking you guys step by step on how to set up these two pages. Let's get started.
So when you sign up on Platoo.in for your free 1 month subscription, this is the email that you'll receive from us. In this email, we provide you with a bunch of helpful information that will get you started on your way to building your own virtual event platform. Firstly, we provide you with your login info. Right here, it will be mentioned your email address and the input with password that you filled out. You get access to your front end URL. This is the URL that your audience will be giving. This is the URL that your audience will be viewing when they show up to see your virtual event. You get access to your backend. This is where you'll be setting up the entire virtual event, where you'll be uploading the files and inputting all the settings required to make your event live. To get started, we'll have you quickly verify your email address and your account via this link. And then after that, you can go ahead and see your backend. All right, this is what the backend software now looks like. This is exactly where you'll be building the entire virtual event from scratch, all with the help of the starter kit that we've provided. In these tutorials, you'll be able to understand what exactly all these settings do and how you're supposed to use these settings to build your own virtual event. In this tutorial, we'll be covering the first section, login page configuration. But before we do that, let's see what our front end currently looks like. So if you go to your front end per the URL that you would have filled out, you'll get a blank page. And of course, that is because we haven't put any settings into the login page configurations yet. In order to get the files to set up your login page configuration, we can quickly go and download this starter kit. This starter kit is provided via a Google Drive, and it provides you with all the files that you will need to build your own virtual event. Now, let's get started. So, you go into your login page configurations and you add a login page. And here we go. This configuration allows us to build the landing page, the very first page that your audience will see, which is the gateway into your event. The first setting on this page is labeled as follows, is open event. This setting allows you to open up your event for anyone to view. The attendee will simply show up to your login page, be able to input their email address and log into the event. The four settings below this provide a variation of the security settings that you're able to apply on the platform. Show sign up provides the attendee with a short form that they can fill out and get their registered username and password on their email address and then be able to log into the event. Show login provides you the dialog boxes for your username and password and log into the event. Show sign up link provides you with a small link to the form that will be displayed here. Now, in order to view what this looks like, we'll have to first put a portrait background image. This page cannot be saved unless you put in a portrait background image. This image is only valid for mobile users, so it won't be viewable on desktop. So with the help of our starter kit, let's put the portrait background image where it belongs. You'll go to your starter kit and you'll be able to download this entire file together. And you'll see that you can save it to the location of your choice on your system. All right, we're going to go ahead and save this to our desktop. Great. Now that these files are downloaded, we're going to go ahead and open it. And we'll extract all these files. Great. Now here are all the files that you'll need to set up the platform for this tutorial and for the upcoming tutorials. Now what we'll do is we'll quickly go ahead and go back to our backend page, and we'll upload this portrait image, which has currently been uploaded, but we'll go ahead and do it again. You go to your folder and you select your sample login portrait image. You open it. Now, it's important to note that you must upload creatives with this disclaimer in mind. Everywhere on this platform that you see has an option to upload a creative, has this disclaimer underneath it, which should be paid attention to. These are certain parameters that are set on the platform that you must follow in order to make sure that your creatives are uploaded seamlessly. The images and the videos are supposed to be in the minimum possible size in order to ensure that your platform loads seamlessly for all your attendees. If you're holding an event for up to 1,000 people, 5,000 people, anywhere up to 50,000 people or more, you want your files to be the lowest possible size so that the experience is seamless for all your attendees. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that once you upload an image or a video on the platform, you have to go ahead and save your form. This is to ensure that your creators are uploaded properly and to ensure that you don't crowd the platform with too much of uploading. So we recommend uploading only one creative per save. Now that we've saved our first portrait background image, we're going to go ahead and make our page live. This publishes all your changes to the front end. Now that we've done that, we're going to quickly click on preview website, and there we go. So we can now see that this is a login credentials that you'll be inputting here, and this is the sign up form that we've enabled. There is no image here currently. That is our next step, since the image that we just uploaded was for mobile users. Now let's go ahead and upload an image for desktop users. So we're going to go ahead and scroll down. We'll be quickly covering these points in just a few minutes. We're going to quickly scroll down. We're going to select background image. You can also select a background video. Again, it's important to pay attention to these disclaimers. So what we're going to do is we're going to quickly select a background video. This is the login video that's provided in the starter kit. We're going to select this, open it, and we're going to quickly go ahead and save our platform. Great. Our video has been uploaded. Let's go ahead and publish our changes. And we're going to go up here and reload. And voila, there is our video. Now that the creative has been uploaded, we can go back and tweak the finer things. Let's go ahead and open up the configuration. Now we'll scroll down to these options. The form color is the color that you see here behind login, behind all of this text. It is this color right here. This color can obviously match whatever branding that you want it to match. We're going to go ahead and select a color that matches Platoo's branding. So we've provided a quick hyperlink for you here where you can select the color that you want. The platform takes colors in hex codes. So we're going to quickly go ahead and select this color. We copy it and we paste it here. Make sure to put a hash in front of it. That is how the platform recognizes that the color has been there. The accent color refers to the colors that you see here for the buttons. We're going to go ahead and leave that for blue, but tweak it to a different shade of blue. So let's go ahead and select this shade and make it a bit lighter. There. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Input that here. Make sure to type hash in front of it. Great. The title refers to this title on your tab here, login sign up. These settings are already there on the backend software by default. Obviously, these options are there for you to customize them. So we're going to quickly write welcome to Platoo. The title color refers to the color that will be reflected over here. We're going to quickly go ahead and put them for black so that the text is all black. The sign up title refers to the page that you'll get once you move past this step. Once you click next, there'll be a different title with the form that you'll fill out for registering, and the title for that page can be changed from here. This is the thank you heading you get once you fill up your sign up form, and this is the color for that heading. These are again corresponding to the same form. Now, the enter button refers to the text button that you get after your sign up page. The login button text and the sign up button text are the text that you see in these buttons here. So we're going to quickly go ahead and put let's go. We're going to change this setting here. Now, we've already uploaded our background video, which is playing in the background as you see. These details correspond to the sign up form that you will enable from here. You are free to pick and choose whichever details you see fit. These are the options that are available to you. We're going to quickly go ahead and save this so we can see our changes. All right, our changes have been saved. Publish our changes from the Live Now button, and we'll go ahead and refresh our page. As you can see, the color has changed for the form. The button accents have been changed. The text is changed. So we'll go ahead and we'll show you what the form looks like. So if I input any details here, let's say these are some sample details we input, as if I am a new attendee who's hoping to sign up for the event. I'll click next. I'll get these details. You'll just quickly input these details. And we'll click on sign up here. Again, this text has also been customized. We'll wait for the platform to register us. Great. And now you'll see that you'll get a verification link in your email ID that you filled out, and you'll get an option to log in. So we'll go back here and we'll be able to fill this out. We'll quickly now show you what it looks like if you log into the event without having a login or a sign up link. We'll just quickly click on this. Now it's also important to note that you have this, if you have this setting ticked, it will automatically disregard all of these settings down here. So we want to go down here and save it. Great. Now we'll quickly refresh. And as you can see, the platform is now open for anyone to view by simply putting in their email and clicking on the button. The final thing that we'll do in this configuration is upload a transition video. Again, all videos and creatives come with a disclaimer. Make sure to pay attention to them when you upload your creatives. A transition video refers to the video that is played when you log into the event, that transitions you from the login page into the lobby, which is the next tutorial. So we're going to quickly go ahead and select a transition video from our startup kit. which will be provided here. Log into lobby. This shows you that it is going from the login page to the lobby of the event. Open that. It's been selected. The skip button color text, and the text color refers to the button that you will see on the video that allows you to skip the video. So we're going to save this, and we're going to make our page live and go ahead and refresh here. Great. Now we'll just quickly put in an email and we'll click on let's go. So now here is our transition video being played, and here is the skip button with its default settings. Of course, the button's color, the text color, and the text itself can be changed. So this is what your event lobby space will look like if you haven't put any settings in. That covers the login page configurations. As you'll see, we have uploaded the mandatory portrait background image, and we've also changed a few settings for our customizations, uploaded a background video that plays during the login page sign up process, and uploaded a transition video that takes you from the login to the lobby. Now, the lobby page will be set up using this section here in the next tutorial. In the meantime, we'll be covering the rest of these subpoints. Users refers to all the validated users that are able to log into your platform. So anyone that has logged into your platform, whether it be an open event or whether it be a closed event, will be listed in this section. You can manually search for these users here and see what information they've filled out, the subdomain that they're part of, which will be your subdomain, and the permissions that they have, and their login details. Validated users CSV uploads lets you bulk upload a list of users that you want to verify to be able to view your event. If your event is a closed event and you only like a select amount of people to be able to see it, you can generate the details in a Excel CSV file and you can upload it here. It'll allow you to then verify those users in bulk. Please note that the format for the CSV has been mentioned below and should be followed, so that the platform can then seamlessly recognize the details that are being input. Validated users lets you input users one by one. In case you don't have the time to upload and edit a CSV file over and over again, you can simply manually input the details of one user that you'd like to update here and save it, and it'll grant access to that particular user. And that brings us to the end of the login page configuration. These are all the settings that will help you configure your login page, give access to selected users, and be able to view the data of the people that have access to your backend and frontend. In the next tutorial, we'll be covering the event lobby, setting up the lobby space, uploading documents, images, placing banners, sponsor logos, placing rotating images, and embedding Twitter. We hope to see you then.